Hi there. This is a checkout page of WooCommerce and I'm about to place an order. If you want to enable guest checkout on your WooCommerce store, there's a high chance it's not protected from bots or automated softwares. And that's why anyone can use any sort of software that will cause a high number of guest checkouts right on your WooCommerce store without anyone stopping them. And that's how Swift Commerce is helping you add bot protection system right here on the checkout page. So how do we do that? Let's head over to the WordPress dashboard and access the Swift Commerce dashboard. From the Swift Commerce dashboard, all you have to do is click on the spam, head over to reCAPTCHA, and from here you can choose your desired reCAPTCHA provider. I've chosen Google reCAPTCHA, and you can also choose the version you want, but I've already enabled v2 and with the site key and secret keys already added in another video. Now here I'll have to go to the settings, and from the settings there are multiple locations that I can enable Google reCAPTCHA on. So all I have to do is click on the checkout page and I'll click on save changes, and I'll go ahead to the checkout page again. I'll refresh it and you'll be able to see the Google reCAPTCHA system added right here. And now your guest checkout page is going to be safely protected from bots and automated softwares with the help of Swift Commerce. I hope this helps. Have a great day.